And I'm gonna clean this with some baking soda and some water and lemon, but I absolutely love it. It's in between a mixture of modern and contemporary. So you can make this go up and it would just go over the couch just like that to have like reading light. $10. This was a steal. Look how high up it goes. I can make it go higher. I can make it go lower. Yeah, so nice. So I can't wait to, and I'm gonna paint it black. I'm not sure. I think if I paint it black, it'll give it more of a modern look, but this brass look is also really nice too. So we'll play around with it and we'll see, but most likely I'll probably end up painting this black. Hey y'all, so we just came back from Aldi's. We went to church. I dropped them home and I just came back from Aldi's. So I got some Gatorade. I wanted to get the blue Gatorade, but they didn't have it. They were it was missing one, so I put the blue pack back. Let me share with you what we picked up this week. So we just picked up some croissants. These are so good, you guys. Absolutely love these. We got broccoli. We got some bagels. Always got to have those. We got another box of snow crabs. So I'm actually going to make myself some crab now for lunch. So I'm so excited for that. But I did forget to get some lemons. I think I have one lemon left and some limes. I'm going to have to make that work. I did get a container of kiwis. These are very high in fiber. And when I feel like I need a sweet treat, I just slice up a kiwi and eat it. It tastes like a Starbucks, so that usually does it for me. We needed some more ranch dressing, so I did pick that up. Also picked up some extra almond milk because I didn't know if we had or not, but they don't expire quickly. And then I just picked up a bag of rice. Lastly, when it comes to food, we picked up 2 boxes of cereal. I got the honey granola oats and then this with almonds. I'm so excited for my crabs, you guys. And I needed a new pair of slippers because the ones I bought from Ross last month are trash. Like when I walk around, you hear them scraping on the floor. So I found these, you guys, and they were $7.99. They had them. Oh, this one has like a little. They had them. They're $7.99. These are ladies lined clogs. This is a US size 8 for $7, you guys. I was like, you know what? I like these. They have that more of a sole on the bottom, so that way, you know, they don't you don't lose the sole too fast. And then this is like, I don't know what type of material it is. I have to read it, but you can wipe this off if like water or something spills on it, and then it just has the fur on the inside. Let me show it to you guys. It's extremely comfortable. It's very comfortable. So this is what it looks like. So comfortable. So I'm just gonna have these as my new slippers in the house.
All right, you guys, let's move on. I'm gonna go ahead and clean these crabs. I like to soak mine in lemon water with vinegar and then just kind of brush any debris or any particles, whatever may be on the crab, because I don't know if they washed them before they packaged them. This specific pack that I got wasn't really a good pack, but we're gonna do what we can. I do have another 2 boxes in my fridge that I got from Aldi's. Just made like a seafood boil with a whole bunch of seasoning and boiled it.
Okay, you guys, so this is the finished result of my thrifted tall curved floor lamp that I found at the thrift shop today for $10. You guys, I did not know it is extremely difficult to find a lampshade that is not $50 or more, but I went into Kohl's to do an Amazon return today, and this just happened to be laying there, and the frame, and I never go to Kohl's, y'all, and I found this and it was on sale for $20. The exact style, the exact color that I needed, but the lamp was a brass color and I painted it. I put 2 coats of black Bear paint mixed with primer in the matte black finish color, And this is what it looks like. This part I can use to adjust the lamp. I can make it go really, really tall, or I can make it go really, really low to where it's like really over the couch, like a reading light. This one I picked up from Walmart, but it's in the white color, and I've decided, me and my son, that this shape is a little bit more modern, so we're gonna go with this one. And I don't like the white here. I don't really have like white in my home, so this one is a little bit more of like a cream color. So yeah, you guys, tell me what you think. I was searching everywhere for a 4 lamp on Amazon, Wayfair, Walmart, and they were like $100, $150, $200 tops, you guys. So to find this for $10 the day I decided to try my luck and say, hey, let me go to the thrift shop to see if I find this lamp, and I found it. So I'm so grateful. This one is gonna go back to Walmart in the morning, or I'll probably take it back tonight because I want my money back.
So I went back out and got some more groceries from Aldi's. I just picked up just the things we always get. I just find it easier just to get the same thing every single week. So that way I'm not going crazy in the supermarket or spending more than I have to. If I have to switch it up, I'll make sure I plan. So I just came back from the thrift shop, and lo and behold, you guys, I found a lampshade for $3 in the linen beige color that I wanted. $3. This one that I just removed, I got from Kohl's for $20. So this is definitely going back. I'm glad I kept the wrapping paper with the price tag on it and my receipt. I'm taking it back real fast. And the other white one that I got from Walmart, I took that back last week. So I saved a lot of money here. So I'm going to show you some things I picked up from Ross. I don't know what happened to the audio, but it got lost somehow. I picked up this beautiful canister wicker basket. It was $7.99, you guys. It's beautiful. I love the color. This is going to go in the bathroom when I do my spring bathroom makeover. I picked up some gold earrings. You guys, I need some hoops. I need some kind of earrings. These are 18 karat gold. So those are nice and dainty. Also, you guys, when I saw this color bathroom mats, I had to get it. This is absolutely beautiful, and it was $14.99 for 2. Yeah, so these are the earrings. This basket, I can't get over it. You can put anything you want inside, but look how many packs of Q-tips they put in there for me. Now, I also stopped at Trader Joe's, just picked up, some rice cakes, some ginger turmeric tea, some mandarin chicken, some salmon, and then I picked up some griddle pancakes, corn, and mozzarella sticks. So these will be for the days that I don't feel like cooking. The kids can just pop this in the air fryer and make this for themselves. Now, I did need some tea. I've been drinking a lot of clove tea with ginger and lemon, but on those days I don't feel like making it from scratch. I got some ginger, turmeric, and herbal tea.
You guys, I absolutely love this. This is so cute. I'm gonna use it for my tea bags and pull this out in the summertime for my tea bags and my spring, like summer decor. And look how many Q-tips, packs of Q-tips they gave you. So nice. So you can also use it in your bathroom and keep it for that as well. Cotton swabs. It was only $7.99. The basket is absolutely gorgeous. And for spring, you guys, I just wanted to just have that light and airy flow, because you know how I have those dark, moody earth tone colors. So to brighten things up for spring, I'm so excited for this. I added to my book, my home decor book collection, and I got this Ponies home decor books just to teach me how to do like different flower arrangements and just teach me about the different types of ponies and flowers. Since I'm into that now, I think it's absolutely gorgeous to just leave this open during the summer and the spring season. And then even if I keep it closed, you guys, look at the cover. Absolutely gorgeous on my coffee table or on a console table. It's gonna just brighten up the space. And got this for $10. It was $15, but I had a $5 credit because my package was delayed by a day for Amazon. So you get that $5 credit. And so I ended up paying $10 for this. So that's exciting. And then the last thing I picked up, Trader Joe's. By the way, you guys, happy Valentine's Day. God bless you. I hope your day, every day, is just filled with love and just the comfort of the Lord, just to engulf you. Trader Joe's was extremely packed. Everybody was buying flowers. I saw this cute little bowl on Pinterest, and I found it on Amazon, and it's supposed to be like a cat pet feeding bowl, but I figured I can use it for like my home decor, and I wanted to add some contrast to my decor. So I was like, you know what, I have a lot of matte finishes. What else do I have? Marble, but I don't have anything glossy like that, shiny, beautiful. I wanted this in like a brown color, but it was, the H&M has it and it's expensive. So I thought this would be cute on, again, a coffee table, console table, where I can switch out every year and just use it as like a catch-all bowl. Put mints in here. Isn't this so cute, you guys? It's a cat bowl where they use it to like feed their cat food in it, but I don't see how because it's so small, but hey, whatever. But this is super cute. It was only $11 on Amazon, and they gave me extra of these to stick in the bottom. I guess people lose that. So yeah. And then I went to Ross and I saw this beautiful little vase, and I was like, this is so cute. I can add this to like my kitchen shelf or shelf. So this is it. It was only $8, $7.99 from Ross. And yeah, I could just see where it could go. I think it'll be cute. I could put this in my bedroom or my bathroom and just have like one rose coming out of it. And I just like the fact that it just has an irregular shape and it's super cute. For $8, you can't tell this is $8. So yeah, you guys, that's everything I got from Trader Joe, Aldi, Ross, and then my thrift shop find where I found the lampshade for $3, you guys. I can't believe I found it for $3. It's linen, it's beige, the exact color I wanted. So I returned it when I got from Kohl's last week for $20. So yeah, you guys, that was it. So cute, you guys. So my oldest son bought me these beautiful flowers for Valentine's Day. So here I am just preparing them and putting them in some water. You guys, I may be doing this wrong, but I'm just doing my best. I'm not a florist. I'm just going to put some plant food and a little bleach in the water to help with the bacteria, just to help it last a bit longer. And then within the next few days, I'm going to change the water out again. They're so beautiful. I love the color, and they go in my new home decor book that I bought with All About Flowers. He bought some chocolate strawberries, which is really, really sweet. So yeah, I'm just putting them in this glass vase, which I was going to bring out for spring, but I'm going to do it now since he bought the flowers. I also wanted to mention, you guys, why do guys always wait until the day of to go and get women's Valentine's Day gifts? I was out at Trader Joe, you guys. Oh my gosh, it was so packed, and it was all men buying all the flowers for their wives, their spouses, their partners, their mothers, sisters. It was insane. I've never seen so many men out in stores in my life. So I know Trader Joe made a really good profit on Valentine's Day, but you know, try to do things the day before, the night before, to help to avoid all of that traffic. It was a lot. But I managed to get what I needed to get from Trader Joe. I was going to buy myself some flowers, but good thing I did it because my son did. And I absolutely love these. They look so beautiful, and they add just the right pop of color to the home. And it just brightened up the table and the dining room area. Anyway, what do you guys get for Valentine's Day? Did you get yourself anything? No matter what it is, just love on yourself every single day. We don't have to wait for one day to tell people that we love them, or just to show that we love ourselves. God loves you with an everlasting love. Know that you are never alone, and just thank God, you know, for life, for breath, for health, for your strength, and just everything that he's doing for you in his life. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. I don't know what's happening with my videos. There's something going on with the algorithm. I don't think they're pushing it out, or, you know, my subscribers are not seeing them. A lot of YouTubers have been complaining about this as well. But if you see this, just know that I'm thinking about you and you're always in my prayers. And I'm just so grateful for all of your support. The Zara little touch light just elevated this little dining room space. You know, when we're sitting here and eating, it feels like we're in a restaurant. So I absolutely love it, and the fact that it's rechargeable. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.